exercises are essential for kids because they support both physical and cognitive development in a fun and engaging way. Physical strength, cardiovascular health, coordination and motor skills, cognitive benefits, mental and emotional health. Hello everyone! Welcome to Dr. Fit Facts. Today we are focusing on our new topic, Kids' Top 3 Exercises to Boost Full Body Strength. Let's start! Jumping jacks. Do 3 sets of 12 reps each. Improve cardiovascular health, increase endurance, and boost energy. Jumping jacks are great for building agility and coordination, essential for physical and athletic development. Mountain climbers. Do 3 sets of 12 reps each. Strengthen core muscles and enhance balance. As a high-energy exercise, mountain climbers improve stamina and engage multiple muscle groups, supporting full-body strength and fitness. Bear crawls. Do 3 sets of 10 reps each. Enhance upper body and core strength while improving coordination and motor skills. This movement also stimulates cognitive development through cross-body coordination, supporting brain health. If you find perfect guidance from Dr. Fit Facts, so please like, subscribe, and share my channel to your loved ones, and comment us for anything you want to discuss with us. Do these exercises together for a week. It helped to build a foundation of strength, endurance, and coordination, contributing to kids' overall physical development and fitness. Thank you.